How to unsee Instagram story from your mobile phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Instagram and let's, for example, I will see this account's story. Now my profile will be appeared in their view list. In order to avoid that or remove that view list, you just have to tap on this three dot line in their profile and then simply block them. Confirm blocking, and now your name will no longer be appeared on their Instagram story view list. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.